Hello everyone, this is Car Doctor channel. Today I am going to service this beautiful BMW Cabrio 2008. This car was not drive for more than 2 years and was parked in a garage. So I'm going to put this car back on the road. This car has 42,000 kilometers on it and is in very good condition. You see, I just washed the car, but I didn't take video. This is the parts that I bought for this beautiful guy. Air filter, fuel filter, engine flush, laser LED spark plug, drain plug, oil filter, fuel additive, cabin air filter, 5W30 engine oil, and battery. If you have a car like this and you not drove the car for a long time and it's just parked in a garage or outside, first things you're gonna do, wash the car outside, clean the inside. Before you drive the car, do oil change inspection, do these things. In this video I'm going to show you how and what parts you need, which tools you need. You can do it at home, at your garage, home garage. So first things I'm gonna do with this car, I change the battery. The battery is located at the back side of the car. I charged the old battery, but it doesn't start the car. Remove this. Here is battery. Remove 10 nuts from this support brackets here. Then first open the negative terminal, and second open the positive terminal. And to release the battery, here's a 10mm bolt with a bracket to hold battery on its place. So guys, the new battery is on. I open the hood. Before I start the engine, I put engine flash. Close the filler cap, check for the coolant. Coolant level is full. Start the engine for 15 minutes. Let the engine run for 15 minutes. Engine warning lights pop up in the dashboard. So it's already reached 15 minutes. Turn off the engine. Open the oil filler cap. Open the oil filter. Remove the oil filter. Change this seal. The new seals always come with the oil filter. Wash inside of the oil filter cap with brake cleaner. Put the new oil filter. Just push it. Change this to 3 seal. 2, 3, and this washer is for drain plug. First, bring it to the second one, and protect it. Here's the groove. And you exactly in the groove. Here. Lubricate this seal. Put fresh oil. And this will install. The oil filter is ready. Let's put it back. If you might ask why I flashed the engine, because the engine was not started for more than 2 years and the oil collapsed in the oil pump. I flashed it to take out all oil and fill it with fresh oil. Here is the oil drain plug. New drain plug. Put new drain plug, or you can only change the washer. And torque it to 25 Newton meter. Put back the cover. Put 4.5 liter oil, including oil filter. To change the spark plug, I need to remove the engine top cover, but before to remove the engine top cover, I need to complete this one. So here is the spark plug coil. And here. So one by one, I disconnect first the harnesses. I remove the coil, 2, 3, and the last one. Now it's time to remove the spark plugs. These are the new spark plugs and old spark plug. I apply a little bit grease in the thread of the spark plug and install one by one. And the last one. First hand tighten. So I torque it to 25 Newton meter. And the last one, like a little bit grease here, and like a little bit grease, special grease here, not stack the coil. And if I remove it, it should not stack. And the last one, I connect the wiring harness. Make sure to connect it properly. So one time double check. Double check. Put back the engine top cover. You need to open the oil filler cap, then put back the engine top cover. Make sure there is no dust on the engine cover to not go to the inside the engine. Screw it back. Has 3 screws, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Drag this bracket on its place. Place the wiring harnesses. So this is the cover filter. Put the new cabin filter. You guys don't like the cabin filter both plastic. Make sure to clean this drainage always. Just simply remove it. No. Push it all the way, and the other side as well. This side is missing. Now check the brake fluid. It's okay. It's between minimum and maximum. Yeah. You're welcome. The other side, the engine control cover. Make sure to put back this rubber on its place, because the waters from the windshield come from this way and to the drainage. So the oil filter changed. Oil change, the spark plug changed, and the cabin air filter changed. And now it's time to change the engine air filter. Inside the sound. Unscrew from the bottom. Unscrew is 25mm Hicks bolts. Next. Love you. Yeah, that's one. Put back the nothing come. Screw it. Nada. Fix it. Make sure to connect it properly. Now we are done, guys, and the next things we're gonna do to fill the shield washer. I check the coolant. Oops. I clean the engine. Now it's time to start the engine. Now I double check. I close the hood. I connect my OBD scanner. Guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel, drop a comment for more good videos.